Understanding the importance of fire safety training is not just a legal necessity but a moral responsibility. SlideTeam's PPT training module equips employees with the knowledge and skills required to act promptly and efficiently in the event of a fire, ultimately saving lives and protecting assets. Ensure the safety of your workspace from fire hazards. Download our Recognizing Dangers of Workplace Fire PPT module and stay vigilant. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this PPT slide to emphasize the significance of being prepared, reducing the potential for panic, and minimizing property damage. Numbers often speak louder than words. These slides highlight alarming statistics that underline the frequency, causes, and consequences of fires, particularly in workplaces. Use this PPT preset to present what exactly fire is. Dive into its nature, characteristics, and the dynamics that lead to its creation and sustenance. Explore the chemical reactions that facilitate the birth of a flame. Understanding this can provide insights into how to counteract or control fire. Unveil the foundational elements that fire requires to exist. By understanding these, one can decipher how to disrupt the cycle and extinguish fires. Avert potential fire catastrophes in the workplace. Download SlideTeam's Recognizing Dangers of Workplace Fire PPT deck now and cultivate a culture of safety. This PowerPoint module in detail covers the most common causes and strategies to reduce the risks of fire occurrence. Common causes of workplace fire discussed are electrical equipment, arson, smoking, clutter, combustibles, and human negligence. Further, PPT deck highlights the most common causes of household fires, from cooking to heating appliances to candles. Here too, it includes tips to minimize the risk of such fires. Use this PowerPoint presentation not to alarm but to inform. Through a better understanding of fire and its various dynamics, foster a safer environment, both at work and home.